Greetings. I greet you in the name of our Father, Mother God. I'm light, I send you my light. I'm love, I send you my love. I'm peace, I send you my peace. I'm gratitude, I send you my gratitude. The divine in me greets the divine in you. Before we proceed with the reading, I ask you kindly, as usual, to make a conscious breath, imagining a breathing or an acceleration using your mouth, bringing in light into using your mouth, and then taking out darkness again through the mouth. Let's do it together. Breathe in light, exhale out darkness. Inhale light, exhale out darkness. Inhale light, exhale out darkness. Please, I remind you kindly that you did not come here to work for heaven. Your true self sits in heaven, and that is your higher self. When you got here, you were deceived that you work for heaven, but in reality, your true self sits in heaven. The main job or your main mission is to bring heaven on earth. So I ask you kindly, discover the divinity within you. The reading from the Pleiadian Council of Light goes like this. Greetings, beloved. We are the Pleiadian Council of Light. We enjoy connecting with you. Thank you for this transition. Major transformation is unfolding in these pivotal moments that all humanity are both witnessing and experiencing collectively. This transformation is multifaceted and encompassing not only the awareness of our presence as the galactic races, but also the profound shift occurring in the realms of human conflict. The calming of wars and conflicts signifies a broader movement towards peace and understanding. Moreover, you are beginning to see disclosures merging regarding hidden agendas that have long held humanity captive, shrouded in secrecy and manipulation. In the backdrop of this significant transformation, we observe the chaos manifesting in various forms, such as the devastating fires and peculiar weather patterns that are being manipulated for the purpose that serves the interest of the few. These chaotic events are not random. They represent attempts to hinder the progress of this memorial transformation. The less aware individuals are, the easier they become targets for the manipulation and deception, leading them to accept narratives that may align with the reality that may not align with the reality unfolding around them. Those who remain oblivious to the process of disclosure will inevitably be forced to confront the truth head on, which can be a jarring experience. Many individuals have lived in a state of blindness, and as the truth emerges, they will profoundly be shaken awake. This awakening process will compel them to access their belief systems and understanding of their reality, propelling a deeper inner reckoning. Spiritually, it is important to recognize that most of humanity possesses a profound good heart. They exhibit love for those around them and strive to help others whenever possible. However, a significant number remain unaware of the extensive deception that has been perpetuated around them. This ignorance often stems from a reluctance to confront uncomfortable truth, as doing so would disrupt their established way of thinking and believing. It is essential to acknowledge the truth that the truth is inevitable force existing independently of personal beliefs. Ignoring the truth does not make it disappear. Rather, it highlights a preference for remaining in ignorance. As the earth continues to evolve and move forward, those who choose to remain in ignorance will soon discover that once they are confronted with the truth, they cannot unsee it. This revolution will inevitably alter their perspective on life and existence. Understanding that you are on the inner journey where the love in your heart is expanding is critical. Simultaneously, there is an outer reality that must be navigated with awareness and discernment. Both the inner and the outer experience reflect one another, creating a complex tapestry of human experience that is hereditary corrective. This means that when you observe outside of yourself, that what you observe outside of yourself is also a reflection of the collective consciousness of humanity. It is vital to take time to address your own personal reality, as this serves as your personal reflection. Your focus on your own manifestation plays a significant role in shaping your experience. The collective experience of humanity contributes to what can often be perceived as chaos in your reality. With everything unfolding in the world stage, this triggers a wide array of emotions within the collective consciousness, which in turn manifests as chaos you are witnessing outside of you. It is important to remember, dear ones, that this chaos is not yours to bear. You have already awakened to the disclosures and truth that many others are just beginning to experience. As you navigate this transformative period, it is essential to exercise patience with your fellow humans as they too are on their journey towards awakening. You are the beacon of the truth, illuminating the path for others who may still be lost in the shadows of ignorance. Embrace your role as a guide and continue to radiate love and understanding as the world around you transforms. Your awareness and discernment will not only enhance your personal journey, but will also contribute to the collective evolution of humanity as you move towards a brighter, more enlightened future. We love you and we are here with you. We are the Pleiadian Council of Light, Pleiadians of Arision. Namaste.